you want me to enter this? Nah, it's cool. Nah. But you can use this flotation device. What they say, they floating. They can be hating. Put both feet. If you put both feet, we'll give you a big bag of seeds. See, damn it, man. See, premium from Costco. Now I have to contemplate. I have to consider. I'm aquaphobic, man. Costco. Why do I have to be aquaphobic?
2,000 years later.
I told you can trust me. Cállate la boca, Jare. Who do you trust then? Me, man. I trust me. What? Hey, wait. I lifted it. Yeah, you lifted it. But why? There's no specific reason. And I just float. Excuse me. May I just float? So politely, of course you can float. Why are you hitting on my whoa, full of care. I was going to say buoyancy, but my balance was off.